Welcome to the episode of Living in Tahoe. I've got this adorable little 4-bedroom, 4-bath condo that I have to show you. So come on in, let's go check this out. You're gonna love this. So today we're at 929 Southwood in Incline Village on the north shore of Lake Tahoe, Nevada. And one of the exciting things about this property is it's right in the middle of Incline Village. We are literally in the central district, we call it. So Southwood goes like this, Northwood goes like this. When I first moved here 3 decades ago, I didn't realize. I'd be like, I'm going east-west on one road, and now I'm going north-south. What's going on here? Finally, I saw a map, realized it makes a big circle right in the middle of Incline Village, and we're on Southwood. So right across the street is a middle school. Right across the street over there is a bowling alley. We've got walkways that go all through town right here, connect you to all the restaurants. You can walk down to the beaches. I think it's like only 3 or 4 minute walk, or a minute by car, 3 or 4 minutes by bike. It's an excellent location to be here. And what's exciting about this building is there's 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, which is great because if you've got a lot of friends or a large family, everybody can fit in here. And another great thing about this is they allow short-term rentals. So what do you think is going to do better in a short-term rental? A 3-bedroom place or a 4-bedroom place, right? 4 bedrooms with 4 bathrooms is going to beat out a 3-bedroom all the time. So a great unit, lots of opportunities, and an excellent location in Lake Tahoe, one of the best places in the world. And it's on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, so you're not going to be paying state income tax. So let's go check out this condo. It's really cute. And at the very end, I got something to tell you, so don't go away. And remember, this is a 4-bedroom unit, so having a good sized kitchen is important because a lot of condos in town here, the kitchens are small. But if you've got 4 bedrooms with 4 couples or whatever, you're gonna wanna have a nice sized kitchen. And they've redone this, it's beautiful. They didn't just paint these cabinets, these are newer cabinets. I love all the glass up there and the lighting in there. Gives it a very nice classy feel. Nice big beautiful sinks, stainless steel. It's just gorgeous. I've seen some of these units because these were built in 1980s and some of them still have the 1980s look, which is it's a little dated, I would say. I remember when I was in the 1980s, I've seen pictures. I was looking at one the other day, I was cracking up. I'm like, I had my hair down here, had my Eagles jersey on, I was looking so cool. But I've been updated, so has this condo. Condo's probably looks better than I do anyway. So we got a nice stainless steel refrigerator and a beautiful stove with lots of storage. I love this. So come over here, Elizabeth. So this is the front door right here. You walk right in the kitchen. They've got a nice here, which is great. Because when you have a condo, never have enough storage. So they've got cheer, and then they're using this as like a pantry. And what's neat is they've got locks on here. So you can put your alcohol in here if you do rent it out so that the renters don't drink all your alcohol. And then you've got a whole nother closet here. So lots of storage for this 1,468 square foot condo. I think they did a great job. Let's go check out the dining room. We've got a beautiful little dining room in here. And again, this is only 1,400 square feet, but it feels really big. I love it. They've got a ceiling fan. So they don't have air conditioning, but they've got ceiling fans. And so it stays nice and cool. Gas hydronic heat. So in the winter, we're in the fall right now. It was funny because it snowed on Saturday, a couple days ago. We got 12 inches of snow up at the ski resort. And it's mostly melted off by now, except for the mountaintops. And today it's like 60 degrees. It's so great. I love fall. It's like winter one day and summer the next. It's great. So let's check out this condo. Lovely, comfortable living room. I like the couches they got here, and all of this, all the furnishings are included in the sale. So you can just show up, bring your clothes, your wine, your food, your toothbrush, and you're good to go. So check it out. Big screen TV and a lovely gas fireplace. So this is my friend Diane's Brown's listing, and she owned this unit once, and her brother did all this work. So very details, and they did a great job. I complimented her on that. And then, so let's go check out the deck while we're here. You know how Tahoe Tony loves having a deck, right? So this has a nice big deck for this unit. So you could actually put a table out here if you needed to, if you wanted to dine out here, whatever. We're overlooking some woods and then another complex, that's McLeod Complex. I've done some videos on those. Those are beautiful. And then, like I said, right across the street's a school. And then you've got this nice covered area here, so you don't have to worry about shoveling it with the snow and everything. And then you can put this little bird nest over here. How cute is this? Can you see this? Somebody's got a little birdhouse here. I love that. So a nice condo in an excellent location. I love this. It's great. So let's go check out the bedrooms. So before I go check out the bedrooms, let me introduce myself. I am Tahoe Tony. I'm the managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate, and I sell on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. So if you're thinking about making the move, if you want to stop paying California state income tax, reach out to me. Somebody in my team will get back to you right away, and we'll guarantee this will be the best real estate experience you ever had. And if you're still paying California state income tax, maybe you're getting ready to sell your business, or there's going to be a shift where you can move to another state and work remotely, and you want to know how much you might save if you lived in Nevada and you're a Nevada resident versus a California resident, check out this link. I've got a tax calculator savings comparing the cost savings from California to Nevada. So check that out. It's awesome. I think you're gonna be totally surprised how much you might save when you're ready to move to Nevada versus leaving California. So now that we've got all the business out of the way, let's go check out these bedrooms. So let's start over here. Let's call this bedroom number 1. And it's like dunk, 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 dunk. So this is like the center hub right here. We've got 2 bedrooms, 2 baths over there, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths over here. But what makes this one interesting is they've got a wash machine in here and dryer. So you can do your clothes in here, and then you've got your own bath. So every room has their own bath. You're like, yeah, Tony, you said ensuite. But anyway, got a ceiling fan, keep it nice and cool. We've got a window. I love it. So super comfortable. This isn't super luxurious, but it's priced at only $1,149,000. So it's not like a $2 or $3 million property, but you've got 4 bedrooms, 4 baths in the center of town. So bedroom number 2, just as cute as bedroom number 1. And again, this comes furnished. So like all the lamps and the dressers and everything all included. And then this one doesn't have laundry. So all the other bedrooms have laundry, but they do have a nice storage area here. So if you've got a closet here, you also have storage area here. So if you want to put boots or towels or whatever, you never have enough storage in Tahoe. There's so many fun things to do. And like I said, we're right in the heart of town. The skateboard park is right there. I talked about the bowling alley, and the bowling alley went through like a multi-million-dollar remodel a few years ago, and it's awesome. We eat there all the time. The food is so good, and it's beautiful and clean inside. So that's right across the street. So if you like to have fun, that's available. That's great. So come on, let's go check out the other bedrooms. So bedroom number 3, this is for the worker of the group, okay? So bedroom number 3, you have your own desk. So if anybody wants to study, do anything, you have your own desk in bedroom number 3. But you're probably not gonna be doing a lot of studying or working in Tahoe because there's so many fun things to do. I mean, the ski resort is like 3 minutes away. Both golf courses, the golf courses are still open. This is the last weekend for the mountain course, and the championship course is closing real soon, but they're in great shape right now. Oh, and another thing, if you buy an Incline Village, you get access to our beaches. So check out these beaches, they're beautiful. And then you get discounts. So championship golf course, $155, $175 a play. It's a beautiful course. It's actually a really good price for how great that course is. But what do you think residents pay? $85, right? Isn't that awesome? $85 for this beautiful course, gorgeous lake views from some of the holes. It's fantastic. So let's go check out bedroom number 4. So bedroom number 4, another beautiful bedroom, right? We got the ceiling fan, just like the others. Again, all the furniture is included in this property. And did I tell you how great the location is, right? The rec center is like a 2-3 minute walk right there. Have you seen our rec center? We've got an indoor swimming pool. We've got pickleball courts, tennis courts, indoor basketball, volleyball, soccer, weight room. It's incredible. Living in Incline Village is the best. So at the end of this video, I've got a video that talks about all the amenities that you get for living in Incline Village. So make sure you check that out. Another great benefit about living in Southwood Pines, we have this little grassy area out here, this / barbecue picnic area. So if you want to get outside of your place, off your deck and get into a grassy area and have a nice barbecue, it's a great place to do that out here. Plus, it's a good place to walk your dog. It's great. Also, we have boat parking here. So if you've got a smaller boat or jet skis or something smaller like that, they've got 3 parking spots for boats, which is great. So all in all, a great little unit at a great price. So this is the outside of 929 Southwood Boulevard. It's a beautiful building. They redid it probably about 10 years ago. It looked like an old apartment building, and then they redid all these stairs with the rock work and the big timbers. It was about $58,000 per person per unit that they had to pay, but that was 10 years ago. It's all paid off. It's all good now. They've got good reserves. They're thinking about doing the decks sometime in the future, but no worries. Now, lots of parking out here. Like I said, you're right in the middle of Incline Village. I love it, a great location. So if you're thinking about making the move to Incline Village or anywhere on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, if you like a little condo, 4-bedroom, 4-bath condo, this is great. I think it's priced really well. There's been some others that have been sold for higher prices. This one's refurbished, updated, got rid of that 1980s look, and it looks great now. So if you're thinking about making a move to Tahoe, whether it's this house or not, if you don't like this house, go ahead to TahoeTony.com. There's a great place to search houses for the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, and let me know what I can do to help you, because I love helping people move to Nevada. It's so great, especially Lake Tahoe. And if you're leaving California, God, I'd really love to help you leave California. I mean, I just watch what they're doing politically wise, and it just drives me crazy. So come to Nevada, come to Lake Tahoe. You're gonna love it. If you don't, I'll sell your house for free.